kitty. You can has cheeseburger.
You got your clutch, you got your brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AFR gauge, fan switch, steering wheel. You got all that?
Bro supervises the cooking process as he is an expert in making biscuits. I only have one request. Free the cat. Puppies are very cute, especially when they eat a lot of food.
What's between those ears? Is it a brain? No, just floof. No brain.
The cat explained in detail why the puppy shouldn't eat from his bowl.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what's in here?
I don't care. Don't tell me.
A parrot who really likes bacon, thankful it's not KFC. Homemade bear, balalaika, vodka, unicycle, an ordinary morning in a Russian village. This dog personified me on Monday.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
I didn't know cats could snore like that. Maybe this cat will be the first victim of a great love. No one was hurt. Kitten is so small that a regular vacuum cleaner can lift him into the air. If your cat is bored, buy him a fishing rod. Imitation fishing is guaranteed. Thanks to its excellent sense of smell and hearing, a cat can easily determine where a tasty treat lies or why cats are not allowed in casinos.
Before.
Kittens with a belly full of milk. Look like beer kegs, and they look really cute.
After.
This cat will never have to worry about his appearance, as the pet parrot will always touch up his hair, remove excess whiskers or fur. A duck tastes ice water for the first time in its life.
Oh, I don't think that's how you drink water.
Good morning.
The girl gave her dog a warm blanket, and now the dog feels as cozy as possible every morning.
Pad that I got. You seem extra cozy this morning.
Thinks that it is the coziest thing he's ever had.
Cat decided to bring home a stick, but it did not fit through the doorway. What will our furry friend do?
When people call you extra, just look them in their face and say, am I extra or are you basic?
The cat hisses at his mistress, even when she feeds him. Usually cats are afraid of water, and water guns are great at scaring them away, but not with this furry beauty. After investigation, It was determined that the cat was the cause of many bites and ruined items. Just look at this fat and cute cat. But don't forget that overfeeding animals is harmful. The cat has seen the light at the end of the tunnel and seems to have realized the truth. Or just connected to the mothership and is getting an upgrade. Have you ever seen a dog that surfs expertly? Then this dog will show you what it means to ride a wave.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
When you ask your dog for privacy.
Let me stay!
It's adult time.
But I'm 6 years old!
We just need privacy.
Don't wrestle! I hear everything!
What?
Let me in! No!
Bro's getting ready to compete in the next Olympics. Just got a couple pounds to lose. Did you know that cats love ice cream?
Rose, what are you doing?
The cat shows an unprecedented interest in the dishes that his owner prepares.
No.
I found my cat in a huge antique vase, as if he were a hero from a manhwa mopping up dungeons.
How could you do this?
Hey, Spring, I think Cedar wants to play free.
Cats love fish, so much so that they seem willing to do anything for them. Even watching the fish in the aquarium gives them pleasure.
She was a fairy.
If dogs were competing in the Olympics,
Top 10 dogs that I would pet instead of my dog. None, because I love only Bella, and I only want to pet her.
turns out raccoons have a sense of humor.
Oh, geez, that's the phone.
Gonna hold it?
It's Mr. Krabs.
No way. Come over here.
He looks so cute. Oh my God.
Is it depression? Is it anxiety? Do I have ADHD? Am I just lazy? Am I burned out? What the fuck is wrong?